morning, students. As I said in my previous video, under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, a mathematical modeling approach, so today I am going to present my first video on mathematical modeling. Before this, I think I want to address all my viewers and the students as a layman. On a very easier term, we can define the physics, chemistry, mathematics and engineering. What is mathematics? So mathematics is nothing but study of relations. संबंधों के ज्ञान को गणित कहते हैं. And what is, or sometimes some people they say कि mathematics is the study of functions. What is function? Function is a special type of relation. We define relation also in mathematics in the form of set theory. When we say कि if we consider two non-empty set capital X and capital Y, and for each and every value of X we have one and only one unique value of Y, then we say that Y is a function of X. That uniqueness is like mother and son relation. That is in our day-to-day life relation. Similarly, what is physics? Physics is nothing but study of motion. Then what is chemistry? Chemistry is study of substances. Then what is engineering? Engineering is nothing but language of mathematics. Engineering is language of mathematics. So because of mathematical modeling, if you have the good expertise in mathematical modeling, then you always be always getting benefit in your research or innovation or any designing, if you are good expert of mathematical modeling and decision sciences. So this is the preamble of this lecture which we are going to start today, and then I have formulated that this course will be completed within the 20 more videos, and this is, I will assume I will try to here present all those problems also which are the famous problem for mathematical modeling purpose. Okay, so just you subscribe the channel and go ahead and look always this videos so that we can be connected with each other. So now let us look what is the introduction of mathematical modeling. This is already the outline of this talk on this PPT talk. I have not kept much mathematics today. This intentionally is just today in my PPT I will try to inspire you, because as a professor I believe you are the most intelligent and you know a lot of things, or whenever you want to know, then our role is only to inspire you. Okay, so today I will go with less mathematics, but later on we will discuss about mathematics also. So now the first part is always there, what is the mathematical modeling, and then why necessary for engineering student. As I again and again I am making my emphasis, this is essential for engineering education. Why I am saying this? So this I will reply in the next PPT. And then type of mathematical model. So only I will address in this PPT only the three aspects of mathematical modeling. So now we look in the models describe our belief about how the word of word function. So in mathematical modeling we translate those beliefs into the language of mathematics, and I said the language of mathematics is nothing but engineering. ठीक है, तो इंजीनियर्स ही मैथमेटिक्स के लैंग्वेज को कैपिटलाइज करते हैं. दे आर द गुड पीपल हु आर ऑलवेज गिव ऑल द प्लेजर टू द सोसाइटी. So this is the preamble, and this has several advantages. Mathematics is a very precise language. Why mathematics is language of engineering? Because this is very precise language, symbolic. That is the flawless, you can say. Sometimes there is no dispute in mathematical language. जहाँ भी डिस्प्यूट होता है वहाँ लॉजिक आती है, वहाँ मैथमेटिक्स आती है डिस्प्यूट को समाप्त करने के लिए. ओके, तो दिस इज वेरी प्रिसाइज लैंग्वेज. दिस हेल्प अस to formulate ideas and identify underlying assumptions Mathematics is a concise language with well-defined rule for manipulation. मैथमेटिक्स में बहुत सारी जगह पर हम अप्रोक्सीमेशन भी करते हैं, मैनिपुलेशन भी करते हैं, लेकिन सबकी एक लॉजिक है, एक रूल है. ये नहीं कि हम ओपन बाउंड्री छोड़ देते हैं. नो, if open boundary, then there will be no systematic language, there will be no systematic knowledge. Okay, so this is already under some limitation we used to handle the manipulation also. Now what is the mathematical modeling? Again you can look at all the results that mathematicians have proved over hundreds of years are at our disposal. This is a beautiful part of with the mathematician. All those, just to look in my regular PPT, I have already discussed the contribution of Green contribution of Stokes contribution of Gauss divergence theorem, and many more mathematicians. Whatever they have contributed, that is already recorded, and where in the during the mathematical modeling formulation, if required, we can use very easily. Okay, and that engineers can do very nicely, because they are also versed with all the invention, all the formulas, all the theorems from very beginning, from school level itself. So the computers can be used to perform numerical calculation. Okay, computer क्या है? हमारा tool है, ठीक है, उससे हम fast हो सकता है, complex situation को solve करने में मदद मिलेगी, लेकिन उससे ideas हमें देना होगा, ठीक है, programming हमें करनी होगी. So we should be more sound, more intelligent with the techniques. Okay. So now using computers to handle the model equations may never lead to elegant results. तो जो elegant result के लिए control तो हमें देना है. Computer software is like steering of the car. कार की steering में ड्राइवर जहाँ चाहता है कार चली जाती है. अब कहाँ जाना है वो ड्राइवर का दिमाग बताता है. ठीक है, तो like the software. So if you want some good fruitful results, then you should equip with the knowledge inside your mind. Then according to your programming, according to your decision, according to your command, the result will come. Now mathematical modeling is an attempt to study some part of some real life problem. In mathematical term, mathematical modeling is an activity in which we make model to describe the behavior of various phenomenal activities of our interest in many ways, using words, drawing or sketches, computer programming, mathematical formula, etc. Okay, whatever the mechanism you can adopt, but the logic should be there, the technique should be there. Mathematical modeling classification according to the purposes. So for various purposes, we have formulated the different mathematical models, like mathematical models for optimization, mathematical model for descriptions, mathematical model for control, mathematical model for insight, mathematical model for action, and mathematical model for prediction. It means, what is the objective? Now let us look what is the basic objective can modeling achieve? What is the purpose of modeling? Then mathematical modeling may be used for a number of different reasons. How well any particular objective is achieved depends on both the state of knowledge about a system and how well the modeling is done. Like if you are filing any court case, then the judge should be honest enough, the judge should be good enough to realize each and every aspect of the case. And always, all my judiciary system, they always take the time to read carefully, to bring some takeaways in the form of logics, and then they declare their judgment. The same here, if you are doing mathematical modeling, then again and again we have to go through the description of the problem. If you know the problem nicely, then only you can go ahead for formulation of the mathematical modeling, formulation of the problem. Now the developing scientific understanding of वो कैसे होगा? That is through the classrooms. Whatever you have learned, let us suppose it is very essential. Sometimes as a researcher also, we always do, we know the dimensional analysis in +1 level or +2 level of physics class. But that is very essential for mathematical modeling. Whenever you connect two parameters, both the side, let us A is equal to B, then we have to check what is the dimension of A and what is the dimension of B. If their dimension are equal, then in mathematics permit ki both you can say ki A is equal to B. If their dimension does not equivalent, that dimension does not match, then you can add on any other parameter associated with that particular parameter, then by either multiply any new physical parameter, or you can develop any relation. Anyhow you can add on those parameters, equalize the dimension, then only you can establish the equivalency in both the parameters. In that sense, that knowledge may be more useful here to start the mathematical modeling. So now, as well as displaying what we know, this may also show up what we do not know. Okay, so whenever we do any mathematical modeling, you believe me, then many things you know. Then during the process, you learn many things. So what is the phenomenon now? And that is all the corporate, they are also saying that this is the time where we should learn, relearn and unlearn. So we should be very much cope up with all these learning attitude. We should be ready to learn, we should ready to unlearn, and we should be ready for relearn. So that is everywhere for scientist community, for technocrats, for managers and for engineers. So now a decision making including the tactical decision by managers, engineers, or the strategic decision by planner or engineers. Now at present in industry and commerce, the availability of fast and powerful computers has made it possible to mathematize and computerize a range of problem and activities earlier which was unsolvable because of their complexity. Now it is easy to solve with the help of computers and modeling. The opportunities for application of mathematics and stat that is increased over the last few decades. It means now for the mathematical modeling, as I said, you should be very sound in this dimensional analysis, means physics part. Similarly, decision science means you should know the good portion of the stat also. So that is all the decision sciences you should go, you should read carefully, and if you want to do some good mathematical modeling. Now, there are more career in industry and commerce. Which require a mathematical and statistical input. Our engineering student will be empowered when they will learn the mathematical modeling, and the impact of complementary and related skills in computing and information technology is taken into account, and there is now a very large and varied field of employment which is required such expertise. If you are good in computer, if you are good in mathematics, so now you look the data science involve a lot of mathematics. AI, artificial intelligence, involve a lot of mathematics. So and mathematics plus computer. So this is the output. This is a product of mathematics plus computer. Already it is going around the world. So if we want to make our India आत्मनिर्भर, हम भारत की कल्पना तभी कर सकते हैं जब हम हमारा बहुत अच्छा कम्बो बनाने में हम सफल हों, किसका, स्टेट का, मैथ का और कंप्यूटर का। और इसके लिए हम सब के लिए वो नॉलेज और मॉडलिंग का सेंस होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है एट वेरी अर्ली स्टेज। बहुत फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर में ही हो जाएगा, तभी फाइनल ईयर तक आप कुछ नया कर पाएंगे। Now these opportunities may only be met if there are enough qualified professionals. Just to look the bottom line, available with the right qualities to contribute. As I said again, I am repeating, when I met with the HR professionals or the vice president of HR of any good MNCs, then they always feel that sir, the competent people we are searching. I have visited during the InfyTQ inauguration at Mysore campus, Infosys headquarters. And there the HR president, he was saying that the campuses in India, they are not able to provide us the enough engineers, skillful enough engineers, because we now investing a lot of energy to train them in their own after doing the this recruitment. So this is the duty of all the campuses I think we should address this issue very nicely, how we can make some courses on decision science, mathematical modeling and computer, and our students should be ready with the knowledge. So now this it is necessary to realize everyone that learning to apply mathematics is a very different activity from learning mathematics. And I think I am not an engineer, but I believe that this may apply in engineering also. If you have gone through the books but you have never did at your own hand, which we call in mathematics as by doing. Mathematics you never learn only by listening or only by reading. Mathematics, like sports, like in sports, if you want to know something, then only by doing. Same in mathematics. Mathematics, by doing only you can learn. By practicing only you can learn. Same, I think, that is in engineering also. So that part should be more emphasis should be given to all my campuses and for my students. There is no theory to learn application, and there are only a few guiding principles are available. However, mathematical modeling is an easy subject who have desire and interest for getting solution of real life problems may be an expert of mathematical modeling. आपके इरादा नेक होना चाहिए, आपके अंदर इरादा है, आपका विल पावर है, थोड़े से एटीट्यूड को चेंज करना होगा फ्रॉम वेरी बिगिनिंग, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर itself, then I think you will be the good expert in mathematical modeling. So now, what is the essence of mathematical modeling? The experts have to deal with a variety of real life problems, and their main task is to translate each problem into mathematical form. It is called the essence of modeling. Okay, and it may involve discussion to clarify the problems, identification of problem variable, estimation, approximation, and advocation of courses of action that may cost money and time. As I said, this is very important. For any industry, it is very important what is how you are going to address the gap where if any cost effective model you can produce in your domain, then that is always appreciable. Or if any time crashing you be able to adopt the time crashing in your particular portfolio, then you may be important for your organization. So this money and time are very important, very crucial for any industry around the world. Now the mathematical real life problem, but this is not limited to. So this is a caution for everyone. This is not limited to. Just here to describe my lecture, in support of my lecture, I have taken few examples. But mathematical modeling is very vast subject. You can't summarize in 1 or 2 PPT about the full course. Okay, so here this is not limited to, but I have taken some problems. In the problem, industry provides many real life examples of how mathematical modeling is used, like problem of flow of water, electricity, gas and oil, and necessity to match provision of these with varying demand. Believe me, it clearly lend themselves to mathematical treatment. All these problems, if you go through, these are the engineering problems. But without mathematical treatment, you can't conclude any concrete result. If you go through the description, you will find many, without good mathematical modeling, you can't draw the conclusion. The risk aspect of power provision, particularly in connection with nuclear power, are also analyzed by use of statistical and mathematical models. Other provision in transport, education, and leisure requirement as populations changes every day. Use of debit and credit cards requires privacy and authentication in electronic communication now in these days. These all are the you can say the somewhere the application of mathematical modeling is already there for any good result and to develop these products. This may be achieved by modeling and individuals' signature digitally in such a way that financial transactions are secure. The security is also one very important part, and that will be up to 10 years, 20 years in digital security form, and where the coding, linear algebra, computer science, the people are doing very nicely with the mathematical modeling in those areas. Now, study and prediction of corona infection, etc. Recently, in this lockdown period, yeah, I have gone through many places through the internet where the mathematicians, they are doing very good contribution just to study the corona infection. Already their research are already in the internet, you can go through, and with the mathematical modeling they are predicting the prediction, and many ways in the development of process, also development of the vaccine and other medicine, other equipment. The mathematician role you can't forget. They have developed a lot of things in this extraordinary situation to handle this problem in extraordinary situation. So that is already going on. So now the suggestions for the mathematical model, which type of the mathematical model we can formulate or we can think, that is the linear model, static model, deterministic model, and continuous variant model. So these all the four in first row, this is the easier to handle and provide good approximate answer, all these models. So this is my suggestion. If you want to learn as a beginning which type of the mathematical model you want to learn, then this you can start from here. But in the second row, that is little bit tougher model, mathematical model, that is the nonlinear, dynamic, stochastic, discrete, and more. These are the more realistic problem. But their modeling is the second stage. Mathematical modeling, I suppose, is the first stage. By using only the differential equation, you can handle these are the stat technique. You can handle these models. The first row models, linear, static, deterministic, and continuous. And the second, you later on in the second stage, you can learn nonlinear, dynamic, stochastic, discrete, and as a most realistic model. Now, why mathematical model is necessary? Again, in support of that, in addition to my previous PPT, here I have already collected some more information from you to perform experiments and to solve real world problems which may be risky and expensive or time consuming. So since as a manager, as an engineer, your role is very crucial in industry, so you have to learn the mathematical modeling because of that. Now, emerged as a powerful, indispensable tool for studying a variety of problems in scientific research, product and process development and manufacturing, improve the quality of work and reduce changes, errors and network. So because of that, it is required to study. Now, as I said, where I have already suggested you, the same is here. Again, this is the classification of mathematical modeling also. So again, with few add-on more, I have again telling about the classification. That is, this may be linear, non-linear, and discrete. This may be static, dynamic, and this may be deterministic, stochastic, and continuous. So this has been already discussed. Now, type of mathematical models in broader sense, which is already fitted. The previous PPT is already fitted here, but in some sense, this you can assume as the type of, in broader sense, in the type of, that was in only in mathematical sense, which the previous PPT. But in the broader sense, as an engineering background student, this PPT also you have to look. This is empirical model. Under the empirical model, we have two: experiment and observations. So as an engineer, I think this is more suitable. If this is the first stage, you have to learn this. Then you go later on linear, non-linear. Then the second, theoretical models. Under theoretical, there are statistical, mathematical, and computational. So here I will address the mathematical model. Okay, but if you call the total mathematical model COMPAS, then this is the whole COMPAS umbrella of mathematical model. Empirical models, which already the state people they always do, or some life sciences people they always do. Some engineers they do experimental model. Some statistician person they always do this observational model, and then theoretical model always look the statistical, mathematical, and computational, which is by computer scientists and all the engineers and mathematical scientists and mathematician experts. Mathematics background. Now, just for learner, here only I will end my topic on this flow chart, and I want you should try at least, just through the books, you should try the small mathematical modeling, and how you should try, just I am leaving you on this flow chart. You can start Then formulation, first of all, if description of the problem is there, then you have to formulate those problems. Okay, then formulation, and under the formulation then you realize how we can go. The formulation in the three part included in formulation, that is problem description, and then selection of parameters, and then mathematical treatment. The left and right you look, the problem description, then parameter selection, and then mathematics come. First description, again and again you read the problem, and this select the parameter according to the problem, then mathematics come. And if mathematics come, means you should develop the relation. If the relation is developed, the relation itself warrant which type of the mathematical treatment. अगर वो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है तो हमें सोल्यूशन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन की तरफ मिलेगा. इफ दैट इज वेक्टोरियल इक्वेशन तो वेक्टोरियल इक्वेशन का जाना होगा. इफ दैट इज ए डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मैथमेटिकल ट्रीटमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड, देन अकॉर्डिंगली टू आवर नॉलेज वी शुड गिव द ट्रीटमेंट. The solution, then again evaluation, and then if the solution is satisfied, then we can stop. If solution is not satisfied, then this is cyclic process. Again we will go, and it means we will search, we will introspect our problem, and we will search where it is left over and which type of the parameter is required to readdress the issue in a new aspect with new vision. So that is, in this way we can formulate the mathematical modeling. So I think this is the first lecture on mathematical modeling, and I have tried to address all the engineering students of UG and PG level, all the science students of mathematics with mathematics background, BSc or NSc students. They should learn, they should give their own time to learn the actual real life, to solve the real life problem by using their engineering expertise, by using their scientific temperament, by using their logical ability, by using their computational capabilities, by using their softwares. So that is required of the day. Then only we can see after some time really we can do some wonders in the field of science and technology, and then only the Atmanirbhar Bharat हमारा बन सकता है. So again I will request to all the viewers, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe RKM Creation, and so that any new video whenever I launch any new video on this topic, then you can view very easily. There are several playlists for my mathematics student. I think that is the Biology 1 and 2, that is for vector calculus and numerical solution of differential equation, and this may be the next volume. So you can look the Atmanirbhar Bharat and the mathematical modeling approach. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Stay safe.